Mecca. What's up, baby? Mecca, you ready for this next week in Cancun? You think you can lift the weights against me? We'll see about that, man. We'll see. Anyway, what's up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here, presenting to you exclusively today Kindle self-publishing for advanced publishers only. So I was not going to make a video about this. I wanted to keep the secrets to myself on what exactly you need to do to maximize your earnings on Amazon now that CreateSpace shall be no more and you are forced to migrate all of your books over to KDP. Overall, it's a pretty simple process. If you need help with it, you can ask in the blueprint, or you can hire me, contact me, and for $200, I will migrate all your books, take care of all the little nitty-gritties, and make sure everything goes over okay, along with some of the tweaks I'm going to show you. Now, again, I was not really going to make a video on this because I wanted to keep all the juiciness for myself, but there are some changes you absolutely need to make for all of your books that earn money on Amazon, okay? Because there's some new things now you can do with KDP Print that you couldn't do with CreateSpace, and it is very, very vital, actually, you watch this video and learn what needs to be done, because now there's new opportunities for you to make money with Amazon. It's really a game changer. So enough hype, enough BS. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So yes, we are in my KDP dashboard. You can pause the video and steal all my book titles. It's cool. We'll look at Lil Tay, Money Way. We're gonna see what we can do to further boost the sales of this book, and what you couldn't do prior with CreateSpace versus what you can do now with KDP Print. Okay? So, first thing is in CreateSpace, I think you had a maximum of 4 or 5 keyword slots. Now with KDP Print, you get 7. So, needless to say, let's put 3 more keywords here we want to rank for. So we could do, no, let's not do that one. You want to have keywords that are accurate. No, that's not accurate either. So Lil Tay novel. I'm just making this up here. Placeholder text. Lil Tay, no, biography. Okay, and rapper biographies. Okay, we want to rank for those keywords. That's cool. So be sure to fill in your 3 extra keyword slots that you now have, thanks to KDP Print. That's one thing. Number 2 is that now, instead of one classification code, the BSASIC code, the basic code, you now have 2 categories you can choose for to classify your paperback instead of 1. So, let's look at categories and pick a second one for my book. So previously we had juvenile nonfiction, biography and autobiographies, performing arts. Lil Tay is a performer, so that wasn't fake. But now, then again, she's a fictional character. So, hey, I'll stick to nonfiction. I won't mess around here. So I'll make this quick. So I'm going to look for my second category to list for. She's dramatic, right? So let's put Lil Tay under drama. Her biography is a compelling life story with many twists and turns. It is a drama. Don't contest me on that. So that right there, we took care of 2 things: keywords, categories. Now, what else do we have to take care of? I'll show you in a bit. I'm just going to get through the next step, make sure everything looks good. So my ISBN from CreateSpace carries over, that my title ownership is verified. That's all good. Trim size, all those stuff stay the same. Cover is good. Everything migrated perfectly from CreateSpace in that respect. So what else do we need to do here is just look at pricing and make sure everything migrated okay. Let's see here. Okay, now here. Previously in CreateSpace, you had select territories you could really distribute your book for. Now, instead of these many individual territories, you can now choose to sell to all territories and have worldwide distribution rights. So that's going to boost your expanded distribution even more, in theory. And hey, there's no con to doing this, right? So just do this. Let's see how your expanded distribution pays out in the near future, okay? So if you don't know what that is, instead of direct sales for your book, certain retailers, listers, online merchants, they can buy wholesale copies of your book, and you get paid what's called expanded distribution royalties. So let's turn that on for worldwide instead of just a few territories, okay? Otherwise, our royalties look pretty much the same from last time. $5.99 is the list price for this. I'm going to publish this baby. Things save. So let's just get through this. I don't want to show my other keywords right now because I'm doing some shady stuff. So, no, I'm just kidding. We're working on some projects. So one thing also you can do from KDP Print, from the KDP dashboard, is now on AMS, Amazon Marketing Services, you no longer have to solely advertise the ebook version of your book. Now, of course, prior, people would click on the ebook ad and they'd be able to reach the paperback after one click. From switching to ebook to paperback, now we can create an ad directly linked to the paperback version of your book. So you just go through, well, you click on promote and advertise for your book in KDP, then you can create your ad campaign. And it pretty much runs like anything you've done before. So that's pretty straightforward. I'm not going to go through all this. But guys, make sure you don't skip out on a few extra steps you need to do for books that are selling well for you, or overall just for all of your books. Like, get this done. I know it's kind of an arduous task to not only migrate books, but do this for every single one of your books. But put in that extra effort. Just dedicate 2 or 3 hours to this if you've got a lot of books. And hey, let's optimize your earnings, maximize your potential with your business, and most of all, make a lot of money. So guys, I give probably the best information. I know I give the best information related to Kindle self-publishing, high-level stuff that no one else talks about, no one else is willing to talk about open on air like this to this degree. If you want other great content aside from this, you got to join my mastermind at the Elite Keyword Mastermind. Link is below. I handpick for you keywords to publish for every month that will make you money. And hey, along from me making you money with my keywords, I teach you how to find great keywords in minutes. Sometimes you can even do it in seconds. But you got to sign up, and you got to sign up now. EliteKeywordMastermind.com. Info below. Like, subscribe, let me know what you think. I know this video is of help to you. Follow along, and you'll be sure to make more money. See ya.